Using mini lessons. Research shows that learners can pay attention for about 10 minutes before they get distracted. At that point, they need to get active with what they're learning. Mini lessons provide a great solution. They teach and demonstrate a new concept for 5 to 10 minutes. Then they give a 5 to 10 minute activity for students to try the concept out. Go to k12.thoughtfullearning.com and click on Mini Lessons. You'll find a whole assortment, from writing mini lessons and grammar mini lessons to critical thinking, problem solving, and even social and emotional learning. Let's take a look at the lesson, Writing a Showing Paragraph. It starts off with a picture that engages students, then presents the concept of showing rather than telling in writing. It gives an example of a showing paragraph, and then demonstrates the idea with a sensory details chart. Afterwards, students use the Your Turn to create their own sensory detail charts. The lesson includes a Word document download that you can distribute to your students. They can fill out their own sensory charts in this download. The mini lesson also includes teacher support and standards correlations. By clicking on teacher support, you can see the levels, the modes, the form, the parts of English language arts that are taught, and even 21st century skills. By clicking on standards correlations, you can find the standards that are covered by this mini lesson. And like all mini lessons, this one includes a print option so that you can distribute it on paper to your students. Some mini lessons teach writing strategies. Others teach critical thinking skills or social emotional skills. You can search mini lessons by typing an area of interest into the search box. This mini lesson, Correcting Subject-Verb Agreement 1, shows a paragraph that needs to be fixed and the paragraph after editing. Use the free mini lessons at k12.thoughtfullearning.com to engage your students and to teach your content.